This is a revelation about levels of reality received by divine means. It will require thoughtfulness and prayer to understand. The road we take in life leads to either eternal life or to destruction. Human beings do not perceive one another in the way that higher consciousness beings see us. God has written spiritual scripts on all of nature. The more spiritual the eyes of perception, the more readable are these scripts. Humans, for instance, recognize the handiwork of God in creation. Some acknowledge this and some suppress this knowledge that is intrinsic to being human. A higher consciousness being like an angel or an advanced alien species could look upon a man and instantly know his history. Some will even know his future, just by a glance. The higher the consciousness, the higher the being. For example, if a single pebble were taken from Earth and given to a superintelligence on the other side of the galaxy, they could suddenly know about everything and everyone on Earth. Is this because of the divine script on the tiny pebble? Or because the pebble acts as a conduit to receive an astronomical word of knowledge from God? It is actually written within the structure of the stone, not as we understand it materially, but within one of several dimensions we are part of, without knowing them consciously, in much the same way a human being exists as a kind of supernatural dialogue with God. All of the motives, thoughts, choices, and actions are read by God, fully understood and properly interpreted. The deep unconscious minds of people perceive this a little. Their spirits get the gist of it. As the true character originates in the spirit, this means the outer person is the human spirit's testament of will to God. If you understand the implications of this, you will understand damnation. You see, sinners are exceedingly far more evil than anyone could possibly conceive. In fact, God keeps the human race in this state of perceptual ignorance so that he can be merciful to sinners based upon their relative ignorance. Forgive them, Lord, for they know not what they do. Go in peace.